I wanted to study the environment in a capacity that was related to humanities and the social sciences. So the Bachelor of Arts kind of allows me to tailor my education toward applying the study of the environment to things that I'm interested in, like transcendental literature and environmental writing in English. This past summer, I went to California and I actually studied organic farming with a grant from the Cater Society. Being in clubs on campus like the Student Environmental Alliance, helping them out with the student garden, and then also working in English clubs on campus like the Writers Union, being in groups like Sigma Tau Delta, they've all allowed me to kind of supplement my in-class learning with hands-on experiences. I want to be a professor, actually, of English literature, transcendental literature, environmental writing, and my education at Washington College is integral, I think, in preparing me to do that. Having a liberal arts, holistic and well-rounded, cohesive education that's interdisciplinary is invaluable.